Hey everyone, happy Monday. Just gonna wait and see if anybody joined. I don't know how to add people. Sam, do you know how to invite people?
I think we figured this out once before, but I don't remember.
Okay, so I just want to do this quick video because this is affecting us here locally now. The government shutdown, how is it going to affect, or how is it affecting us in real estate right now in our area? So there's more than two ways, but there's two ways it's affecting us here. So I think the biggest one is USDA. USDA is the United States Department of Agriculture, and they offer, the single family residential mortgage loans at 100% financing. So they have direct loans, and then they have the secondary loans, which you get through bank or another lender. So the USDA is on furlough, therefore they're not processing any of their loans. So I think that their email said the last day they worked was December 20th or December 21st. I can't remember exactly. But so what happens is when they do go back to work, they're going to be really backlogged. So you're looking at an additional 3 weeks right now, even if they were to come back tomorrow. But obviously none of us know when the government's going to get back to work. So that's the worst part, is that if you're trying to get USDA financing, you are probably going to see a delay because the lender is not going to close on that loan because they want to see that USDA has reviewed that loan file and has approved it. It's too risky otherwise. So the second thing is tax transcripts. Most banks and lenders, when you get a mortgage loan, part of that process is you sign a 4506T form so that they can order your tax transcripts direct from the IRS for you. And that's usually a condition of funding for the closing on that loan. And they're not processing those right now. So we could see a delay, on FHA loans or other loans where the lender is required to have that tax transcript from the IRS in your file. I think that some lenders are probably going to allow a closing and just make it a post-closing requirement so that when they do start processing them again, they'll just know they'll get that later. But that's a big risk because they need to make sure your tax return matches what the IRS has on file for your transcript. So those are the two biggest ways. There's a few other things like the EPA is not working. Trying to remember what the other thing that it was affecting, and I can't remember right now. But basically, yeah, with the IRS being down, it could play into, depending on how long the government is shut down, they're not processing tax returns, and a lot of underwriters want to see that you filed your tax return for 2018 before they'll let you close. That will be coming up soon, and none of us can do that. So joy. We have absolutely zero control over this, so it really stinks big time. But yeah, I just wanted to go live today and kind of fill everybody in. Sam and I and Beth are really hoping that the government goes back to work, especially USDA, because that's going to affect a lot of people for sure. So again, happy Monday. Hope you guys have a great week, and I'm sure you'll be hearing from us soon. We have another new listing in Austin that is 3-bedroom, 1-bath, full basement, and it is priced amazingly. Sorry, Emily, I'm trying to read and understand. Any wait for loans that have closed? No. Shouldn't be anything, Emily. But yeah, I think everyone is going to be delayed on their taxes. And like I said, as we get closer, the lenders are going to want, the underwriters are going to want to see your tax return from 2018. And you're not going to be able to provide that. So I think it's going to stall a lot of people. So let's just hope that they come to a decision soon. so this can get resolved and everybody can get back to work. I feel really bad for the people who are out of work without pay. But this USDA being down really hurts us as well as the IRS. So, all righty, guys. Well, have a great rest of your day and we'll talk to you soon.